Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayush and in today's video we are going to play Minecraft. Yes, that's right, we are going to play Minecraft, and yes, it's an art video because we are going to sculpt in Minecraft and we are going to sculpt an anime character, and that is going to be a Pokemon. Yes, a Pokemon, Charmander. So this is my first time drawing or trying to create something in 3D, I mean 3-dimensional. Because drawings are always in 2D, which I draw in paper or even in digital drawing, it's always in 2D. So because this is going to be in 3D, it's going to be a little different. So it's my first time creating something in 3D and I am really excited to see how it's gonna look. And here we are. This was actually some testing I was doing before jumping into my first attempt at sculpting a proper statue here in Minecraft. So I was just playing around with the blocks a little bit, and as you can see, I tried to make Shenron from Dragon Ball Z. So these are the Dragon Balls, 7 Dragon Balls, and this is where his tail starts, and that's why it looks green. And I was trying to just play around and see how difficult or how easy this is going to be, and it ended up to be really complicated because it is really challenging to create good curves using these blocks. So I decided to make something a little easier than this, especially considering that it is my first attempt. So this gave me a good idea where and what I could do in Minecraft. But I don't know why I still like this half Shenron I made. I don't know. It doesn't look like anything, but it looks pretty cool. I don't know why. It looks like a weird kind of a monster. This his eye, and this maybe his tongue sticking out of his mouth, and this is his like a jaw, the lower jaw, and this is the small body he has. And yeah, it does look like a creature, you can say. So I won't say that was a total waste of time. I made something out of it. Alright, so let's find a good place first to sculpt for our Charmander statue. We can't sculpt here because I have already made a mess there. So let's see where else we can find a good place to sculpt our Charmander. Ooh, snow. Oh, I think this might be a good idea to sculpt our flamey Charmander on top of a snowy mountain and some water too. Yeah, I think the colors will go really well because they will contrast each other, white and orangey and fiery. I think that would be really cool. So yeah, let's do it here. I'll start from here, his legs, and slowly we'll move up ahead, above, and see how it goes. But I think this would be a good base for our first sculpting in Minecraft. So what are we waiting for? Let's get right in, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. It's showtime. our first ever sculpting in Minecraft is finally ready. Oh my god, I just can't believe that it turned out so good, so much better than what I expected. I must say I did a pretty good job right there. So good job, Aayush. Keep it up. I like it. I loved it. I love the results. I'm so happy with it. It actually looks like Charmander and it actually looks pretty good. I started off with his right feet and then slowly moved up, and trust me, this was definitely not easy at all. There was a lot of thinking, calculation, imagination that went inside this whole sculpting process, and it was also really tiring because it took me a lot of hours to finally make something like this, placing every block one by one and at the same time making sure that it looks right, it is making the right shape. And because it was in 3D, it was even more challenging, but I think I did a pretty good job in my first attempt and I really loved the whole process of making it. I would love to do another sculpting in future. If you guys want me to, if you have any ideas for that, just share your ideas down below in comment section. I would love to know, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome art videos, art challenges and more. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.